Hello, my friends. Dave FX Hunter here, and this is the last day of the very successful year 2019. And I want to use this opportunity in this video to say thank you, everyone. And I want to introduce something really interesting for the 2020. But first, let's make a quick look back what we have done in this year. So here is my things which was my success for this year, let's say. So for first of all, most important, 100k challenge. So as I decided to take 5k account to the 100k, I simply have made it over 2400 percentage profit. Let's look at it on the how it looks on the live results. Of course, as been said, it's a real account, and this is not the drawdown or even think that I have made it and burned it, but it's simply withdrawal, because currently we are looking to the balance and we must look to the equity. So if we look to the equity, we can see that I have started 5,000, sorry, and simply then I was going up, down, up, and up to the 118, and boom, then I have made this big withdrawal. So there is a close profit 114k. I must say this was my best trading year ever. I'm not sure if I can repeat it again, but hopefully yes, and hopefully I will be able to make it again, withdraw the money again, withdraw the money again and again. That would be very nice, but who knows. So this was very good. Then next to it, next another my success comes with that, because it was that specific account which brings me to win the 2019 live trading competition on the Forex Factory. So here it is. If you go to the Forex Factory and you check the trades and you will look to the leaderboard, here is you must pick up this year, because we are not looking for the result for 1 month or the week, but the whole year skills, and you pick up the live accounts simply. Then you will see that number one is FX Hunter Wealth Dave. Ta-da! Okay, cool. So anyway, why I as well I'm very honored to have this result is that if you compare my gain with the other traders, it's, I mean, I have gained what they have made together anyway. So this is my success here. Then another success. Okay, I'm ninth on the MQL, but that is not only about the trading results, but about as well how many subscribers you have for your copying to your signal, which I'm not providing at the moment. Trading View, there I'm constantly ranked in the top authors. That means that of course I already mean something in this trading scene. Okay, and here is the thing, 2020 we have FX Hunter Wealth established, and this is one of very important thing I was working on for some time, because to get this PEM account, of course you can get it in many shit brokers, right? I was doing the research with the many brokers and I was testing them for the last year, but many brokers are shit brokers. You need to have a proper broker. So we will have a PEM account in the IC markets, one of the best brokers with the cutting edge PEM technology. So it wasn't easy. Of course, they required from me the trading license, which I have to provide. They did the audit of my trading results, and yeah, and I had to open the regulated company and everything. I was doing all of this. The minimum investment capital is 20,000, which I have to deposit. So not everyone can get the PEM account in the proper brokers. You can open the PEM account in the shit brokers, but you will not have it in the brokers like IC Markets, Trader, or something similar like that. So yeah, this is already The website is almost done. There is all explained. Only, guys, I'm waiting. On the 2nd January, I'm waiting the call from the IC markets to make the rest of the things clear. So on the website, everything here will be explained. How to deposit, how to connect, what is the minimum, and all these things will be simply explained here in this frequently asked questions things. So first, I need to confirm last things by the IC market side, and then we will start it from the beginning of the January. So yeah, so FX Hunter Wealth have right now officially the fund. And here is the one thing I'm very happy to introduce, because I have a lot of questions about the trading mentorship, about making the trading course. And here is my answer, my friends. I will not do any trading course or the mentorship or something like that. Here's the simple things. You know who is making these trading courses and these mentorships? Of course, it's traders who don't know how to trade. Because if you know how to trade, why would you teach it someone? Anyway, by all these requests, I have decided to create this trading portal, this interface for all my members, where is couple cool features. So here will be, I will just explain it quickly. In the next videos I will explain like more briefly. So what will be there is simply economic calendar, position size calculator, right? Next thing will be, here will be every week posted my trading setups, which you can scroll and see all of them here. Next to it will be all the COT data, which will be provided here and updated every week for all the pairs I'm watching, so you can watch them. Then next below that is the trading view chart, for the one reason, because as I said, I don't want to teach anyone anything. You are alone in this game. So even if you pay someone for some trading course, in the end you will have to do it alone. Here you can do it just for the fee of the signals. And if you do that 1 year, week by week, I guarantee you that you will soon understand how I trade, and you will have the same success as I had in this year. So basically here, for example, here is a Aussie chart. So you can go to the Aussie chart, you can set as well the 4 hours. And what you could do to understand this game clearly, so what you can do, simply take this tool, which is the parallel channel as well, and you can draw same things which I am having here. And you can see basically what I was planning this trade. Here you can do chart as well, you can check the COT data, and in the end, if you are not sure, you can watch this video
short
where
position,
I was
right?
explaining
Slightly getting better.
here,
Better,
right?
so it's like minus
You can watch
37k now.
this
It
video,
was
and
minus
it's
60,
running
so it's the
where I
trend
am,
is
of course,
to
explaining
going
it.
to positive. So what I will be looking for is well, if the price drop here, I will be looking to join long.
Right, so we can see that this is what I was explaining. Of course, it's not of course, but this time it happened, because here was this move up, boom, and then continuation up. So it was nice trade, right? So we didn't had this trade because it was before the Christmas, and I closed that. And once you will be doing this with all the charts, trying to understand it, you will simply see more than if you just watch this and will be trying to think why I did it. Because if you redraw it, you will see as well what is this tool good, because it shows you what is the risk in the pips. So once we know here is the risk 72%, then you simply go to this position size calculator, and you will pick up your currency, you will set your amount, you will set up your risk, you will, how much pips was that? It was 72. So you will simply put this 72 pips, and currency pair is Aussie, and you calculate it, that it will tells you that you need to open 0.16 to risk 2%. Of course, if you want to risk 5%, some guys, and it will recalculate for you. And the last thing here is this, and it's a community outlook, which is actually the outlook of the trader sentiment of from the MyFX book, which are trading the currencies. And it's always good to check if what they are doing. So right now, if the Aussie is going up, we can see that they are of course on the shorts, because they have 86% of the shorts, because the retail traders are mostly wrong. And how to work with all these things, I will explain it more in the next videos. So this is it, my friends. I think it's pretty cool. So for now, you can go to the website and follow the link below this video. You can check this and play with it. Soon I will log this just for the members, and what I will want to as well, as I provide this for free, I will be happy that if you write me the Forex piece army review, what I'm doing for you, and if it helps or not. So I would like to cooperate and answer the question to the people who comes and who do something for me as well, not those who just come to get something for free and get out. As well, the last thing here, which is if you have the TradingView account, if you don't, simply open it here. If you have it, simply request the COT TradingView indicator, which is this one. And let me right, so this is the TradingView indicator. It's not these data, this is what we have in the portal, but it's these dots which explains us when each data was released, and so it will help us to decode, like, right? So here I was planning that the trade will come up here again into the channel, and because the COT data was like this, and here I can see this dot where it was released, then big drop. So I was expecting that the price could drop down, you know, even might lower, I don't know. So yeah, and as you can see, this trade could work very nicely. Yeah, right. So this is it. I wish you a great start to the new year, my friends. I wish you trades like this, you know, with the small risk and the big profits. And most important things what I wish you is as well the health, have the good psychology health, have a good health of your body, because it's the most important. Be happy with your family, and then you can be consistent in the trading as well. So this is it, my friends. Bye bye, and we are looking forward for amazing 2020.